Done the rough and the first title value. So you will repeat the same procedure as you did for your first title value to get your second title value and the third title value. Okay, now to calculate the volume of acid used, which you are going to use for your final calculation, you are going to find the average of the title. So now if you check your record, as you can see on the screen, you have your rough value, you have the first title, you have the second title, you have the third title. So to find your average, you have to use only the first, the second, and the third title value to calculate. So you are going to add them up. First title value 25, second title value 25.2, third title value 25.3. So you add all the three together and divide by 3. So when you divide by 3, whatever value you get will be the average volume of acid used, which you will now use to do your calculations that follows your question 1A, 1B, 1C. So the average title value, you get it from your first title, second title, and third title. Don't include your rough value.